Firstly, I start to chanting the mantra. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Deva, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. I recite it once more. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. It means that teacher is Brahma, teacher is Vishnu, and teacher is Shiva. Teachers are the symbol of all the universal power, and I am bonding in front of them. Friends, as you know that today is a Guru Purnima. It's being celebrated today not only in India but in many parts of the world. Guru Purnima. It is such an important day. On this day, we show our gratitude and thanks to all teachers who have directly and indirectly made us complete person. In yogic culture, as we all are practicing yoga, so in culture of yogic, Shiva is considered the first yogi and first ancient yogi. We call Shiva Adi Yogi. So when Adi Yogi Shiva decided that my yogic knowledge should be spread all over the world, then only on this day Shiva became the first Guru. He became the first yogi as well as the first Guru of the world. Lord Shiva gave complete knowledge to the seven sets. Sets, it means the to seven Brahmas, to seven like priests, sets. So on the basis of what we call Saptarishi. Saptarishi, it means seven knowledgeable sets. We call Saptarishi. According of these seven sets, we have seven pillars in yogas too. Seven sets spread the knowledge of yoga to every corner of the world, and Guru Purnima started from here. This day, that means the day of Guru Purnima, the night is very important because it is full of moon night. Guru means teacher and Purnima means full moonlight. By full means from our astrology, that is moon is factor of mind. So whatever prayers are done by us on this day, we wish all those wishes by meditation and prayers we get. According to another legend, on this day, Maharshi Vedvyas, the author of Mahabharata, it is one of the biggest and most famous epic of India, Mahabharata, and Vedas. As you know that we have four Vedas: Rig Ved, Yajurved, Arthved and Samved. So the author of Mahabharata and Vedas was born on this occasion. Guru Purnima is also celebrated. And friend, as you know that Guru, that means teacher, have an important role in the life of all of us. To this day, all the Gurus who have given us knowledge, helped in building our future, helped us to progress and choose a right direction in the life. Today we follow them and give them respect. For personally, my first Guru is my parents. I bow with them. I also pay homage and respect to all the Gurus of the world, along with all my volunteers and the lovely friend, all of you who have to come our institution in the last years, who help guide our poor children in teaching or have done in directly, indirectly, in the thanks to all of them on behalf of the children. And I also salute and great and greeting to on my own behalf. I hope you will give your support, love and help in coming time also. This is the very auspicious day, very powerful day, and we are all celebrating. We are giving to respect to our teachers. A Guru Purnima, that means the teacher day, we also can say. And I hope that you all are well. Definitely, we all are now in epidemic problems. Some countries it's now increasing, some countries decreasing. So we all need to be together and with positive energy, good power, good thought, and by the helping nature to each other. So keep in touch, and please, if you like, then follow us in Instagram, and if you like us, then please subscribe our YouTube channel, and also in Facebook. We are also in Facebook. So please follow us, share us, and increase our subscriber around the world. Thank you friends, and thank you very much for continue giving your love, blessing and support. Thank you. And soon I will make one more video. Now just it's a one video, and if you will give your comment, like, subscribe, share, so it will be increase my power of work, and I will make more knowledgeable video. Thank you. And again I am giving to respect by the chanting of mantra. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma.